Well, here we are. It's our last day of a 1 month on-ground permaculture in action internship at the Green in the Desert site in Jordan. And I'm going to take you for a little bit of a last-minute tour. Let's have a look. Everybody's engaged. There's people still working on irrigation. There's plenty of chop and drop going on. Of course, Hamdi's still here working.
Hamdi went up to the toilet and Hamdi takes over and starts doing her job.
We're cutting neem at the moment, natural fertilizer knit shampoo. So that'll be made into a sort of natural pesticide shampoo. There's lots of branches coming down. Just look at this canopy. It's opened right up. So a lot of the mulch trees, a lot of the legume trees are being cut down and mulched. This is real chop and drop. There's mulch on everything. There's compost underneath the mulch. Got a lot of branches, got a lot of twigs, got a lot of high quality mulch leaves. Quite a different landscape actually. It's opening right up. This is the time of year when you do this, when the evaporation over rainfall finishes and the rainfall over evaporation starts, or at least the temperatures reduce the evaporation and eventually we get some rainfall. Our hibiscus tiliaceus has been cut right down again. It was cut last year. We've just cut an acacia, which probably won't recover, but it was time. We've got mulch going down all our trees. Priscilla, you're still mulching? Yeah, we're doing more mulching en masse than we've done all month. It's all about strategic timing. Actually, we've never seen so much mulch. Every year there's more mulch. I can see the promise of growth in these trees. I can see the little ground covers that are established that are going to boom. These little ground covers going over the rock walls. Everything's got organic fertilizer on it. Everything's got high quality mulch. Everything's going to respond. And this Lucina was cut, about 2 weeks ago. And that's how much respray it's already come. We're strategically designed this system so we can time the way the actual forest falls and feeds the soil. And that's the most important function, the way the forest falls. Our citrus along the back line here are going really well. And up in this section, which is one of our least fertile areas, it just looks like it's going to explode with growth. We've got these little chopped branches. They're going to go on top of the nitrogen-rich Lucina green mulch. So we're going to cover up our green mulch, which is covering up our compost. So we're going to lock that fertilizer down into the ground. So as we get cooler temperatures, which are bound to happen, and any rain is going to push that beautiful compost, green mulch, and carbon mulch protection on the top. It's going to push that decomposing natural fertilizer into the soil profiles. This is what it's about. A forest grows on a fallen forest, and the fungi are the teeth that chew down the wood into the soil, creating humus. And this has been a site in sometimes chaotic but extremely active action. It's a system completely transferred into a reassembly of organic matter, and we're the designers, we're the activists involved. We're actually reassembling the organic matter in favor of the productive trees. And at the same time, there's a new evolution of irrigation. There's a ring main gone round in 2 circles. So with just 2 switches, we can actually switch one ring main on, or a second ring main on, or a third ring main that's a little bit smaller for the vegetable gardens. Every year, we change the evolution a little bit. It's a learning experience, but it's a system that's dynamically evolving. And that's one of the keys. Allow your system to demonstrate its evolutions and then dynamically adjust. Everywhere I look, I can just see beautiful shots of organic matter around trees. There's a Brazil cherry here. It's a small tree, but it's alive. It's been here for 2 or 3 years now. That's 3rd year. And it's looking okay. It'll definitely make it to the summer. That's actually a subtropical fruit tree, a Brazilian cherry. This is a very interesting site. And I can see it going forward as a classic example now.